Hello, in this video we're gonna check performance of a charger that comes with Motorola Moto G72. And we can do that by connecting the charger onto the custom smart socket, and the results will be visible on this phone right here. So now let's try that. So the phone is plugged in, and now we just need to wait about 30 seconds till all of the statistics are stable. So right now all of the statistics should be somehow stable, and you can see them right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.